Hello, everyone. This is Miles again, coming to you live here from San Diego, California. And thank you so much for coming to my YouTube page. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We greatly appreciate that. Again, for more tips on solar panels and why to go solar, who's it for, why it makes sense, and how you can save money. And today, I just want to give you a really quick tip and let you know that the process is fairly easy. It can take between 4 and 6 weeks for installation, maybe up to 8 weeks for installation. But I want to let you know that you qualify right now in 2022 for a 26% federal tax credit. Yes, they'll pay 26% of your solar panels, and so you think about that. It's a good chunk of money that they take care of. So there's a lot of incentives out there, and we have a promotion right now as well that I would definitely want you to take advantage of. So please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please give me a call 619-520-8212, and we can talk about those incentives. Thank you so much. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.